Hi, I'm Roberta. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to show you one of my favourite kitchen hacks, how to make what the chefs call a cartouche, a cover for a pot or a jar made from baking paper. So we take a square of baking paper and we fold it in half and in half again. And then from this folded corner, we just keep folding it over and over as many times as we can while still being able to cut through it. So there we go, like that. Now, let's say I have liquid in here that I want to cover to make sure it's just simmering away gently and whatever's in the pan is staying submerged. Measure the radius, roughly, allowing a bit extra, cut off the excess, and magically, feels like magic to me anyway, we have an almost completely round circle, which we can then just push on to the liquid to hold in place whatever's in the pan. A cartouche. Now you know.